Hi guys, how are you? It's Paran from Programming J. Today we're gonna write a simple program in Java using JGrasp as a compiler. So I also use NetBeans and Eclipse, but I prefer JGrasp at the beginner's level because of two main things. Number one, like it's really simple, and number two, an important thing is that it doesn't give the user or designer any inputs or help. That when you use Eclipse, it tells you automatically that, oh hey, here this should be typed, method headers or constructors and other stuff. So when and at the beginners level, I really prefer that you type things in, so you build some muscle memory for that. So we're in here, JGrasp, we go to file, new, because we're typing it in Java, so we tap Java. First thing, we're gonna name the class public class display Java. Then opening and closing brackets for the class. So see, I capitalized this J letter in the Java word. So it's a naming convention that whenever you write a name of the class or variable, always do the second word first letter in a capital, because when you read something, it helps to identify the characters, because when you will write long codes, you have to really look upon the numbers from top to bottom. It's gonna be same stuff, tick 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 tick, so it's hard for the eyes to read it. So it's better to follow the naming conventions. Let me show you a simple program. See this one? It's like tick, 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 same stuff, right? It's a really brief program. It's not that long, simple, but you still have to focus to understand what it is. So here we wrote public class display Java. Then we will go down, then it's public static white and main. See, all this stuff, it's in red, not in the same color as this is. This one's color is black, this is different. So all the prefix Java numbers are like alphabet letters, not letters but words. Yeah, I confuse things. Okay, all the Java words that are like predefined in the Java library, this color differentiates it. So you cannot use these words like public, class, or the access modifiers. I will make a video specifically on the access modifiers as well, that you cannot use as a name of class or variables. So we go here, then we go strings, square brackets, parts. Now you must be wondering what it is. This is a main method header, and what it does is, as Java library, it has a lot of things already pre-written in the library, so we don't have to write the whole code for it. We just use the keywords, and then the compiler matches it up and displays or do the stuff that we want it to do. We are not in like 1960s where if you have to do a simple thing, you have to write the code from top to bottom again and again, even if the process is same. There was no code reusability. Now we can use it. There are libraries. You can also create your own stuff, but yeah, we will also discuss that. So this is opening and closing brackets for the main method header. So it's like simple three words: system dot out dot println. Then you do the curly brackets, you close them. All the languages I have studied, like Java, C, C++, they all, like, for the closing statement, they use this semicolon. There are some languages that do not, but the ones I studied use them. And it's like a closing statement. Your program can go from top to bottom or left to right. Doesn't matter to the compiler in which way it's written. really compile it like machine. It just scans. Whenever you do a statement, it scans the code from top to bottom or left to right. It's called scans all of it, so it doesn't matter which way you go. So there we go. We display this hello. So when we run it, it will want us to save it. We just save it to go to desktop and YouTube. See here, file name is display Java. Display Java is the name of the class that we chose to have it, and then .java, it's the extension. Whenever you write a simple program, it will have two main things: display the name of the class, then with the extension .java, and another file with the same name of the class but with the extension .class. So we save it, and in here it says operation complete. Now it's compiled, but we have to run it to see how the output goes. So in cursor it here says hello. Doesn't matter whatever you wrote in these brackets, you can use number. See, I run number, it displays 1 2 3. Now I use radar, but like special characters has $sign. See, it work. Let's see. Oh great, it does. Okay, now I have to do the same thing. I'll just copy this one and let you show how it works. Okay, so see this println. If I remove this, comment this one, let's see how that works. There you go, it does the same thing. So what's the difference between print and println? Simple one thing. Print keeps the cursor on the same line, but println, this one which we commented, changes it to the next line, the bottom one. So let's compile both of these. Let me change this one so it stays a bit different. Hello guys. Compile it again, same stuff, and see, because in here it says ln, so next line that will execute, its output will be displayed on the line at the bottom, not on the same line. So it's like simple difference in between these two. And for this video, I think this project is done. So next video I'll come up with something else with the Java. By that time, have fun guys.